You become a slave to whatever you love most. Every single human being has a master. Whether that person believes in God or they don't. Everyone has a master. Everyone has something that they enslave themselves to. Now the question is, what is your master? And the answer is whatever you love most. So how does that work? Well, if you're a person who loves money most, guess who your master is? Money. You're a slave to money. If you're a person who loves power most, then guess what you're a slave to? Power. In other words, you will do anything to get more money, or you will do anything to get more power. If you're a person obsessed with this concept of what are people gonna say? What are people gonna think? Then you're a slave to what people think. You're actually a slave to what other people say. That is your master. So how does that look like? It looks like you'll do anything and not do anything based on what people are gonna say. What people are gonna think. You're a slave. So remember this, you will always be a slave to whatever you love most. And that is why you have to be very careful what you love most.